The British Library has over 1,000 Greek manuscript volumes and over 3,000 papyri in its collections. Together, these form one of the greatest resources outside Greece for the study of the literature, history and culture of the Eastern Mediterranean. Recently in the library, we've started doing a project to digitise our medieval and earlier manuscripts. We've started with the Greek collections, and to date we've digitised over a quarter of the Greek manuscript volumes. So now over 250 manuscripts are available on our website. This project has been running for 18 months and has been generously funded by the Stavros Niarchos Foundation, who have also recently agreed to fund a second phase of the project so that we can add a further 250 manuscripts to the website. The undoubted highlight of this collection is the Theodor Salter, which is a book of the Psalms that was written in 1066 in Constantinople by a monk called Theodor at the Digitises monastery. This Psalter is one of the treasures of Byzantine art, and it contains over 400 marginal illustrations. And at the end of the manuscript are some verses composed by Abbot Michael of the Digitises monastery on the life of David. Some of the other highlights of the collection are the trilingual Psalter, which is a 12th century manuscript that was produced in Sicily and contains the texts of the Psalms in Greek, Latin and also translated into Arabic, that was used at the court of King Roger, the Norman king of Sicily. This manuscript of the Dialogues of Lucian is the earliest surviving manuscript of this author's work. This manuscript is particularly interesting because it contains scholia, or marginal commentaries, written by the Archbishop of Caesarea in the early 10th century, showing the interest of prominent Byzantine churchmen in pagan literature of the classical world. The collection includes quite a number of very important biblical manuscripts. One of the interesting ones is this 12th century manuscript of the Gospels. This manuscript is unusual because it contains 17 narrative illuminations from the life of Christ and stories of other saints. This unique and growing resource is available now free on the web, and we hope that it will be used by a wide range of people, from the most specialist researchers to anybody who has an interest in the culture of the Hellenistic world.